Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video too, we are going to continue to see about chain rules. Let us take an input function 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 the whole power 7. So let us see how to apply differentiation using chain rule. Treat the function 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 as a t. So the input now looks like t power 7 and we know how to differentiate that, right? So it is 7 into t power 6, where in our case t is 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 the whole power 6 into d by dx of this t, which is going to be 2x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now let's differentiate this function. So this is going to be, I'm going to retain the others as such. So 7 into 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 the whole power 6. And let's do this differentiation. So differentiation of 2x squared is 4x. Differentiation of minus 6x is minus 6. Differentiation of 9 is just 0. So now I can combine this as 7 into 4x minus 6 into 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 the whole power 6. You can leave the answer like this, or you can take 2 outside these two terms and you can multiply that 2 here to simplify the answer as 14 into 2x minus 3 into 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 the whole power 6. Now let's also try to do this chain rule with another input function. The input function is minus 3x to the power 5 plus 1 the whole power 3. Like in the previous example, treat this expression of minus 3x to the power 5 plus 1 as t. So this becomes t power 3, and differentiation of that is 3 into minus 3 power x plus 5 plus 1 the whole power 2, and followed by differentiation of minus 3x power 5 plus 1. Now we will differentiate this. Before that, let's write this again. So 3 into minus 3x power 5 plus 1 the whole square. Let's do the differentiation. Differentiation of minus 3x power 5 is minus 15x power 4. Now I can combine this expression with the 3 here. So this becomes minus 45x power 4 into minus 3x power 5 plus 1 the whole square. Let's take another input function x minus 1 by x the whole power 3 by 2. Treat x minus 1 by x as t. So this means t power 3 by 2. Differentiation of that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. So it is x minus 1 by x the whole power half, followed by d by dx of t, which is d by dx of x minus 1 by x. Now this, I'm going to write this as 3 by 2 root of, half means it is root, so it is x minus 1 by x into, let's do the differentiation of this expression, x minus 1 by x. So d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared, because x to the power minus 1 the whole power minus 1, so it is x power minus 2. So, and you also have a minus 1 placed here. So this is 1 minus minus 1 by x squared. I can simply write this as 1 plus 1 by x squared, and the rest of the term I'm going to leave them as such. So the final answer is 3 by 2 into root of x minus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by x squared. In the next video, we will continue to see about chain rule, but I'm going to slowly introduce trigonometric functions in chain rules. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.